Hi, I'm Simone Cenedese. I was born in Murano, and that's where my story begins. I can't remember my first meeting with glass, because it was probably always a part of me. In fact, some people say that I breathe glass before I could walk. I love going back to my furnace early in the morning, when it is still quiet, before the sun comes up. The contrast of the fire in the incandescent oven with the light of dawn renews my spirit for the creation of my works. I see my hands move to shape and mold the hot material. All my passion is reflected in each piece I create and becomes a part of me. I enjoy playing with different color combinations, which are spontaneous, and they form very elegant works of glass. My furnace is open to anyone who would like to see the creation of one of my pieces. I will be waiting for you.